Hi guys, today I will show you how to import fonts in CapCut PC. Before I start, I would appreciate if you like the video and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to go to Google and search for DaFont. Here you have a lot of fonts, you just have to look for the ones you like the most. In my case, I will download this one. Once downloaded, open the file and open the fonts you downloaded. And simply click on Install. Now close CapCut and open it again. Go to Text, click here. And here you can select the fonts. To see the installed fonts, hide presets and show system font. And here you should see all installed fonts. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and a subscription. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks.